Hi guys, how to choose the best web hosting for your website? Easy guide. If you have launching a website in 2025, whatever it's a blog, business site, portfolio, or online store, choosing the right web hosting is one of the most important decisions you will make. And in this easy guide, I will walk you through everything you need to know to pick the best hosting provider for your need. Without getting lost in technical jargon or confusing plan, first consider what type of site you are building and how much traffic you expect. If you are starting small, shared hosting is cost effective and simple to set up, but if you plan to scale quickly or run an e-commerce store, VPS or manage WordPress, hosting will give you better speed, security and flexibility. Next, pay close attention to performance. Look for a host with at least 99.9% uptime and solid state driven SSD and global content delivery network CDN to ensure fast load times, which are essential for SEO and user experiences. Security is another key factor. Make sure your host provider free access certificate, daily backup, firewall, and malware scaling to keep your data and customers in info safe. You will also want reliable customer support. Look for a provider with 24 by 7 live chat or phone support and good user review, specifically if you are not very tech savvy. As for pricing, don't just go for the cheapest plan. Look for transparent pricing with no added renewal fees, and make sure the plan including essential features like email hosting, domain management and staging environment if you need them. Popular and beginner friendly hosts like Bluehost and Hostanger are greater for getting started, while SiteGround VP, WP Engine, and Kinsta offer more advanced tools for business that demand performance scalability. In short, the best web hosting for you depend on your website goal, your technical skill, and growth plan. But by focusing on speed, uptime, security, and support, you will set your site up for long-term success. Good question or want personalized hosting recommendation? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for more no flop website tips that actually help you grow online.